Hey there, my name is Amber Wood. I'm a 48-year-old makeup and beauty creator near Houston, Texas. And this is a recent PR haul, so I'm really excited. First off, I'm probably the last one to get it, but I'm so thankful that they still think of me. Urban Decay sent me the new setting spray. Did I get the little... I did! See, I wasn't sure if they were beauty blenders, but they're balls. Are they bouncy? Well, they are. They're little bouncy balls. I thought they were beauty blenders this whole time. It's the watermelon setting spray. I love the Orig. Use it all the time. Got watermelon fruit extract and hyaluronic acid. So we love skincare and other things. But it cracks me up that these are all bouncy balls. Oh my God. My kids are going to love it. Locks makeup in place for up to 16 hours. Ah, oopsie. I still don't know why we have to have so many tops. You know, the other thing I got from TikTok shop, see it? Peter Thomas Roth. It says beautiful skin awaits. Woo! I'm sure that you've seen the videos. Instant Firm Eye Temporary Eye Tightener. Let me just show you. Look it. Hi. Hi. I have two small children that don't like me to sleep at night. I don't know why. I'm much happier when I sleep at night, but apparently they don't want me to do it. Here's one now. Hi. How can I help you? I'm filming.
I just want makeup.
Well, you already had makeup on put today for your cheerleading.
I want more makeup.
Mommy's filming right now. Any whoosies want to see about putting makeup on top of it, because obviously I'm a makeup creator. I do makeup videos a lot, so I want to make sure that we can use this and then put makeup on top, because that's been kind of a controversy I've seen about this product. Some people say no, some people say yes. So we're going to find out. It's a pretty good size. It's 30 mils. I can't wait. Instantly tightens and firms, smooths the appearance of crow's feet. I don't have a whole lot of that. Fine lines. I have deeper wrinkles in my forehead. I need to go get Botox, but I haven't done that yet. Okay, so make sure you follow along so that you can see the videos for some of these things. Next one is from Community X Scene. It's an influencer group. Just so you know, I have almost 15,000 followers. I'm so close to 15, and I want to do a giveaway when I get to 15. But anywho, I just kind of want to let you know who I am and where I come from. I'm a former teacher, former NFL cheerleader. I put my picture up there so you can see. A lot of people followed me recently because of my Texans video I did. It kind of went viral with the Dallas Cowboy cheerleaders documentary. I did a little video of my own. So for those followers, hey, thanks for following. But if you like makeup and beauty, that's what we're here for. And this is the new Estee Lauder. This is a night serum, I think. Oh my God, it's heavy. Oh, what is this? Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Overnight Treatment. I'm so excited. This is going to be good. Help skin look like it got 2 nights of sleep. I don't even know what that is anymore. I really don't. It boosts moisture and barrier strength. Am I still recording? Yes. Okay. 72% agreed in consumer testing on 127 women who identify as poor sleepers after 4 weeks product use nightly. Okay. Face and neck. Always hit the neck. That's how they know. And hands. Neck and hands. Just like, whoa, this is heavy duty. Look at this. Ooh, fancy. I don't smell anything. I thought it was going to smell like fancy. Ooh, it's very hard. Not hard, but you know what I mean? Like it's firm. Firm. Oh, firming. Hello. Oh, it feels nice. Okay, we'll do another video. I'll do a video on it, but I just had to show and tell. Okay, one more thing. Now, this one showed up yesterday, and I had no idea what it was. Stop. I love Ole Henrik. Is it Heinrichsen? Ole Henriksen. How stinking cute is the box? Number one. I haven't opened it yet. I don't even know. Did I sign up for something? I don't know how they sent this to me. I'm assuming it's a lip treatment of some sort, which I enjoy because I have very dry lips all the time. So I don't know how I got picked for this. I don't know if I even signed up for it or if they just sent it to me. I don't know. I don't know how they got my information. Ah, what fell out? Ooh. Ooh. New creme brulee. What is this? Pout Preserve Peptide Lip. Where's my glasses? Told you I'm 48. Once I hit like 42, it was like, ooh. Lip treatment. This is going to be so good. Clinically fuller looking lips in 1 week. Oh, it plumps. Instantly plumps lips with hydration and smooths lip lines with lip-specific peptides and kokum and mango seed butters. I love mango. I just ate some mango today. XOXO Olay. There he is. Oh my God. I'm so excited. I love the box. I'll be keeping this box because it's fresh. Oh God, it smells good. Okay, my name's Amber Wood, Over 40 Makeup Mom. Make sure to follow for more and if you want to see more about these products. Okay, bye.